Hello, welcome to this lecture. Here, especially this is designed for to you to understand how the question will be raised from CSS and how you need to crack such type of questions by having this session. Now let's see. We will be learned here five interview questions and answers. See, the first one is what are the advantages applying CSS to HTML form? Wonder. Most of you are already knowing this answer. See, the accessibility can apply whole project into a single CSS page. That makes more like that will be like a saving more manpower and more time, less efforts it will be. And the CSS is lightweight page creation, making more styles. Number of styles which is in your mind you can apply over here and making them more beautiful. Now you see here in the next question is what are the CSS frameworks are going now? The CSS is also is having frameworks, pre-planned libraries which make you easy to more standard web pages styling while applying these styles to your websites. Frameworks are basically Bootstrap 4, which is the latest version which is going on nowadays, and the foundation is one more framework which is a ready-madely trending which is going on. Coming to the next interview question, what are the different ways to position a certain element in CSS? The position property specifies the types of positioning methods used in an element of HTML. The position fixed, static, absolute, like a sticky, relative. This is the attribute of position. The value of the attribute, those are we have discussed right now. These elements are then positioned using the top, bottom, left, right properties. However, these properties will not work unless the position property is set first. You have to remember at all time whenever you are going to be applying positions. These are also work differently depending upon the position value which you have chosen. Now the next question is explain the different modules used in the current version of CSS. Now see here we have used and you have learned many things and we can say as like a something like a more advantage of a helpful for the interview question as well. There are several modules in CSS when used to write applying styles. Selectors, IDs, box models, backgrounds and borders, styled borders and text effects, animations, user interfaces, text box colors, effects, more thing we can do. A few of modules I am going to explain here. If you are having it more and more in your mind, you can explain and prove the answer successfully. Come to the next question. What are the various font related attributes in CSS? Yes, in cascading style sheets, font related attributes will apply font size, style, variant, weight, line height, font family. We can apply these type of different type of properties and variants to have the fonts to be make a more beautification. Like applying of the more beautiful and styling we can apply using CSS in HTML forms. Hopefully you learned the best of the few interview questions and answers. I hope you enjoyed the complete session of CSS. Try to practice more well and have a good luck you to understand CSS. Thank you for watching these lectures. Thank you.